Just as a house needs a solid foundation to ensure that it stands tall and strong, language needs proper grammar to ensure that it is clear, accurate, and effective. Without a solid foundation, a house can crumble and fall apart, just as a language without proper grammar can be confusing and unclear. Then, why is grammar so important in becoming industry ready? Is the question we ask. And the studies are very clear. They have shown that more than 80% of the selections and promotions at job are decided on the basis of a person's communication skills. And what does grammar exactly do? It gives you three things. It makes your communication clear, it gives you professionalism, and it also builds your credibility. How do we help students improve their grammar? Prepleaf by Masai School brings you an exclusive self-learning program called the English Fluency Marathon. English Fluency Marathon aims at improving communication skills by focusing on five core areas of learning any language. That is listening, speaking, reading, writing, and grammar. As we can see, the final part of each of these sprints in EFM is grammar. These grammar videos, which range from learning basic topics like what is the difference between a phrase and a clause to how to conduct effective small talk, help us to learn those parts of grammar which are absolutely essential while talking to our juniors, our colleagues, as well as seniors in the professional life. Overall, good grammar is a critical component of industry readiness. By focusing on key aspects of grammar and practicing regularly, students can improve their skills and become more effective communicators. The Industry Readiness Program is going to focus on all those aspects of grammar which will be essential for your success in the corporate world. So, let us all board this train which will take us all to the destination of success. But remember, the cards to this engine are limited, so better hurry up. Build your employability quotient and ace the interview to kickstart your career. Thank you so much.